Welcome to Sai Master Academy. Continuation of definite integration, long answers. I think from second exercise, some more problems we have to discuss. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 questions there. See here. This is also long answer model only. Then mundu kuda same long answer. This is long answer and this is short answer. This is long answer model. This is short answer model. Integral 0 to pi x sine cube x 1 plus cos square x dx all are related to only property, that is 0 to a f of x dx. Till now we are using mostly only one property, enter 0 to a f of x dx. This also same, 0 to a f of x dx. Let I equal to this equation number 1 by property what? Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now, if you use that property, integral 0 to a, 0 to a, 0 to pi. F of a minus x, this will be what? Pi minus x into sine cube of pi minus x by 1 plus cos square of pi minus x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to pi. Pi minus x is as it is, sine 180 minus theta, sine theta only. So it will not change, that is sine cube only. Sine cube x by 1 plus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but power even. So you will get same only. Cos square x into dx. Equation number 2. Now 1 plus 2. Then I plus I. 2i equal to 0 to pi same, 0 to pi, 0 to pi. And denominator same, 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos square x. And numerator, this plus this, right? Right, see. This is x sine cube x. Observe carefully. Pi into sine cube x. Pi sine cube x minus x sine cube x. Expansion is also going here. Into dx. These two will get. So pi we can write outside as a constant. That is pi integral 0 to pi sine cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. This is integration, indefinite integration. There is no need to use any property. Now how we can solve this question? That is the question. Sine cube 1 plus cos square x. Just imagine x cube by 1 plus x square x. ఇలా ఉంది క్వశ్చన్, ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం? This is clearly improper. Okay, we have to use different methods. This is in terms of x, this is in terms of trigonometric ratio. Now what I am doing, I am writing pi integral 0 to pi sine cube x as sine square x into sine x. We can write sine x dx, more sine square x there, na? I am writing 1 minus cos square x. Can I write 1 minus cos square x is sine square x? Actually sine square x into sine x. Sine square x I am writing like 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos square x. Now put cos x is equal to t, differentiation with respect to x, cos x derivation, minus sin x dx. So I am writing only sin x dx. We need only sin x dx, that is equal to minus dt. Now you have to change the limits also, right? Upper limit x is equal to what? 180. Then what is t is equal to? If you write cos 180, cos 180 value minus 1. Cos 180 value minus 1. Lower limit x is equal to what? 0. Then t is equal to what? Cos 0 1. Cos 0 1. Okay. Cos 0 1. Now substitute here, which is equal to pi integral for 0 1, for 180 minus 1, and 1 minus t square. Why? Because cos x t by 1 plus t square sin x dx minus dt. See, actually it should be minus 1 to 1, not 1 to minus 1 kada. Yeah, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So ippudu ela? See, actually minus 1 to 1 is okay, but my 1 to minus 1 is Not possible. Lower limit small, bigger upper limit should be bigger one comparing to lower limit. Okay, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square dt. So we need space kada. Okay, change the color. Yes, see here. Try చేద్దాం ఇందులో సెట్ చేయడానికి. Okay, right, see, I'm writing this is minus 1 to 1 by writing positive. Since negative, we can write positive minus 1 to 1, which is equal to pi into minus 1 to 1, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. ఎలా చేస్తాం మనం? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dt. It is an dt. So ఇప్పుడు actually 1 minus t square instead of that 1 plus t square అంటే cancel అయ్యేది. For that what I am doing, minus pi integral minus 1 to 1. I took what common? Minus common. So it will become positive kada? T square. Then it will become minus 1. I am writing plus 1 minus 2. Okay na? Plus 1 minus 2. And denominator I am writing separately by 1 plus t square. By 1 plus t square. Understand? This is very, very important step. Now this 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel, which is equal to minus pi integral minus 2 minus 1 to 1. This is only 1 dt. One part finish now, minus into minus plus 2 outside integral minus 1 to 1, 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Okay. Now 1 dt is nothing but what? T kada. T limits what? Minus 1 to 1. Already munde munde minus pi. Next, this is plus 2. Sorry, this pi will be multiplied for this also kada. 2 pi. This pi will be multiplied for this also kada. So plus 2 pi. What is 1 by 1 plus x square dx? Tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square what? Tan inverse x. So that is tan inverse t minus 1 to 1. Now apply limits now. Minus pi bracket open. First write 1 minus into minus plus. Finish this. Next plus 2 pi. First write upper limit tan inverse 1 45 minus tan inverse of minus 1 minus into minus plus pi by 4, which is equal to, this is what? Minus 1 plus 1 2 pi and plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 45 plus 45 90 ra. What? 90. So that is pi by 2. What I am doing, LHS 2i na? LHS what? 2i. So 2i is equal to, I am taking 2 common, then it will be minus pi plus this is pi square by 2, 2 to. So I is equal to pi square by 2 minus pi is the answer. Understand? In definite integration, you will get always only a value, quantity. Okay. Now come to this question. 0 to pi x sin x, same process nana. Let equation number 1. So by the property, what is the property? Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now substitute that property. 0 to a, 0 to pi, x, pi minus x, sin pi minus x, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta only. Sin x by 1 plus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but power even. So you will get same cos square x into dx. Let equation number 2. Now what? 1 plus 2. Then what you will get? 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi. Denominator is same, that is 1 plus cos square x. Numerator will be added, that is x sin x plus pi sin x minus x sin x dx. Okay na? So this x and x remaining pi outside rayandi. Pi integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now simple. Put cos x is equal to t, differentiation with respect to x. Cos x derivation minus sin x, but I am writing only sin x dx is equal to minus dt, and you need to change the limits also. Upper limit, what is x is equal to? Pi. Then what is t is equal to? Minus 1. ఇందాక వచ్చింది కదా. lower limit x is equal to what? 0. Then t is equal to what? 1. Substitute here, which is equal to integral pi of integral for 0 1, for pi minus 1, for sin x dx minus dt by 1 plus t square. Just write lower limit upper limit interchanging to get positive, which is equal to pi integral minus 1 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square. What is integral 1 by 1 plus x square? Just tan inverse x, which is equal to pi into tan inverse t. What are the limits? Minus 1 to 1. Pi into tan inverse 1, 45. Tan inverse of minus 1 plus 45. So, why? Because tan inverse of minus theta minus tan theta minus tan inverse theta. So, 45, 45, 90. So, pi into pi by 2, right? So, this is what? Pi square by 2. This is what? 2i equal to. Then I is equal to what? Pi square by 4. 2 to ja 4. Understand? Next, again same property. No, here this is type 7. This is what? Type 7. Denominator only trigonometric ratio. What is the process? Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Sin x, we don't need sin x here. We need only what? Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and upper limits. Upper limit what? X is equal to 180. X is equal to 180. Then what is t is equal to tan 180? How much? 0. Tan pi 0. What is lower limit? X is equal to 0. Then t is equal to, sorry, not tan 180. Why? Because x is equal to what? Substitute here x by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. Tan 180. Tan 90 infinity. Lower limit is 0. Okay, with infinity also we can try, no problem, which is equal to integral for 0 0 for pi infinity, right? And dx is what? 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 3 plus 2 into cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, which is equal to 2 outside, integral 0 to infinity dt by 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square LCM. This is 3 1 ja 3 plus 3t square plus 2 1 ja 2 minus 2t square. 1 plus t square 1 plus t square cancel, which is equal to 2 integral 0 to infinity dt by 3t square 2t square. How much? T square. 3 plus 2 5. We can write 5 means root 5 whole square. This is in which formula? Form integral dx by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So, which is equal to 2 into 1 by a root 5 tan inverse x by a t by root 5. What are the limits? 0 to infinity. So, now substitute 2 by root 5 into upper limit infinity, tan inverse infinity, it will become infinity by something infinity only, na? So, tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0. For which degree? For which degree you will get infinity? Tan of something is infinity. What is that something? For which degree you will get? For which angle you will get infinity? 90. So, 2 by root 5 into 90 means pi by 2 minus 0. No need to write 2 to. So, pi by root 5 is the answer. Understand? Finish, huh? Yeah, see here. X tan inverse x by parts. Two functions in product, na? This is A, this is inverse trigonometry. By ILAT, what is first? ILATE. See, I is there, A is there. So, first I only. So, this is F, this is G. What is by parts formula? Integral f of x g of x dx is equal to f of x integral g of x minus integral f dash of x integral g of x dx. So, substitute here. First f of x. What is f of x? Tan inverse x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x tan inverse x derivation 1 by 1 plus x square integral x dx whole dx. Okay, na? Which is equal to integral x dx what? X square by 2, na? X square by 2 tan inverse x power 1 x power n formula n plus 1 by n plus 1 and minus integral, this is also x square by 2 kada, x square 1 by 2 outside by 1 plus x square into dx. This is also improper fraction. If you have same power functions, I said that convert the numerator in terms of denominator. Adding 1, subtracting 1. See, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, which is equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 bracket open integral 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square one part minus integral 1 by 1 plus x square into dx one more part. So which is equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into these two will get integral 1 dx is what? X minus 1 by 1 plus x square what? Tan inverse x. So what are the limits? Limits what? 0 to 1. Now substitute 0 to 1. First write 1. 1 by 2 tan inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2 1 minus tan inverse of 1 upper limit minus lower limit 0 0 by something into 0 0 minus 1 by 2 0 minus 1 by 2 into this is 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 0 0 into something, so this part will be 0. 1 by 2 into tan inverse 1 pi by 4 tan 45 1 kada pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus pi by 4. So this is pi by 4 to ja 8 minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus pi by 4, that is 2 pi by 8 only na LCM చేయడానికి, which is equal to 2 pi by 8 to pi by 8 3 pi by 8 minus 1 by 2. Next, see this is by substitution method. First we have to start, then we will get again by parts. Put x is equal to tan theta, then dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. Limits, upper limit x is equal to 1, then t is equal to theta is equal to, we are substituting in terms of theta na, x equal to 1 means tan 45 1 na, so pi by 4. Then lower limit x is equal to 0, then theta is equal to also 0 tan 0 0. Now substitute here integral for 0 0 for 1 pi by 4 sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta into dx secant square theta d theta. This is a formula. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. Integral 0 to pi by 4 sin inverse of sin 2 theta into secant square theta d theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta will be 2 theta. So which is integral 0 to pi by 4 2 theta secant square theta d theta. 2 is outside, 0 to pi by 4 theta secant square theta d theta. Now by parts, this is algebra, this is trigonometry, obviously this is f, this is g. Already here we have formula, I am not writing. 2 into f of x theta integral g of x dx secant square theta d theta minus integral f dash of x 1 integral g of x dx secant square theta d theta into d theta. Now which is equal to 2 into theta integral secant square theta tan theta, right? D by dx of tan x secant square x integral secant square x tan x. Okay now. Yeah. Now minus integral, this is also tan, right? Tan theta d theta. What is integral tan x dx? Integral tan x log mod secant x. Limits what? 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. First substitute upper limit, then lower limit. Upper limit what? Pi by 4. 2 into pi by 4 tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 tan pi by 4 1 minus log mod secant 45. What is secant 45? 1 by cos 45. Cos 45? Secant 45 will be root 2. Root 2. Okay na? And this is upper limit. Minus lower limit 0 na? 0 to something 0. Secant 0 1. Log 1 0. So this is completely 0, which is equal to 2 into pi by 4 minus log root 2. Or you can multiply 2 pi by 4 will be pi by 2 minus 2 log root 2. ఇంకా చేయొచ్చు. Your wish. Simplification is your wish. Okay. So this is about some Lagrange's in second exercise. Okay. We'll continue with next exercise, that is reduction formulas in definite integration. Sin 4 and x 0 to pi by 2, cos 4 and x 0 to pi by 2, all reduction formulas we can solve, and also two trigonometric sin and cos వస్తే ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అది కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దాని తర్వాత we have one more topic, areas. So after areas definite will be finished. That is only little bit difficult. Okay, thank you. Share to maximum.